Good morning, students. Today we are starting with halogen derivatives of alkanes and halogen derivative of benzene. They are collectively called as haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now let us first of all discuss nomenclature of haloalkanes. As the name itself indicates that haloalkanes, they are the derivatives of alkanes. They are obtained by substituting one hydrogen of the alkane with halogen. So they are of many types. Number one is monohalogen derivatives, where one hydrogen of the alkane it is replaced by one halogen. So monohalogen derivative, they are of three types. Number one, primary alkyl halides. Here halogen is present attached on the primary carbon. For example, we have CH3, we have C2H5Cl. Similarly, we have CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. These are all primary alkyl halides. Their common names are written as alkyl halides. So they are methyl chloride first member. Then we have ethyl chloride. Then we have N-propyl chloride. We are using N here because chlorine is attached on the first carbon. If it would have been on the second carbon, then we would have used isopropyl chloride and the common name. Then IUPAC names of these compounds, they are named as haloalkanes. So first is chloro derivative of methane, so chloromethane. Second is chloroethane. Third is 1-chloropropane. So after primary alkyl halide, we have secondary alkyl halides. Here halogen is attached on the secondary carbon. Its common name is isopropyl chloride. IUPAC name will be 1, 2, it is a number system, 2-chloropropane. Then we have another secondary alkyl halide. This is secondary butyl chloride. We cannot call it as iso because in iso two methyl groups on the substituted carbons are present. Here one is ethyl, another is methyl. So this is called as secondary butyl chloride. IUPAC name will be 2-chlorobutane. Then we have third tertiary alkyl halides. These are those alkyl halides where halogen is attached on the tertiary carbon. Common name of this compound is tertiary butyl chloride. IUPAC name is 2-chloro, 2-methyl-propane. So these are all monohalogen derivatives. Then we come to dihalogen derivatives. These are those derivatives in which halogen is two halogens are present in the alkane, two hydrogens of the basic alkane. They are replaced by two halogen atom. And dihalogen derivative, they are of two types. First class is called as alkylene dihalide. Second class is called as alkylidene halides. So we are having two classes in the dihalogen family. We will be considering one by one. So first class of dihalogen derivatives is alkylene dihalides. And members are CH2Cl, CH2Cl. This is commonly called as ethylene dichloride. IUPAC name of this is 1,2-dichloroethane. Then we have another derivative, 3-carbon system. This is derivative of propylene. because double bond would have been here, it would have been propylene. So its name is propylene dichloride, and IUPAC name will be 1,2-dichloropropane. Then we have second class of dihalogen derivative. They are called as alkylidene halides. There is no need of writing dihalide here. Dene shows that two halogens are present on the same carbon. This is called as ethylidene dichloride. IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloroethane. Then we have propylidene dichloride, isopropylidene dichloride, or it is called as 2,2-dichloropropane. Then we have trihalogen derivatives of alkanes. There are three derivatives: CHCl3, CHBr3, CHI3. They are known as chloroform. These are their common name: bromoform and iodoform. IUPAC name: trichloromethane, 3 chlorine are there, tribromomethane. Then we have triiodomethane. So this is our third class of halogen derivative, that is trihalogen derivatives. Now we are left with the fourth class, that is tetrahalogen derivatives of alkanes. So tetrahalogen derivative, as the name indicates, they are having 4 halogen attached in the alkane chain. First member is CCl4, it is called as carbon tetrachloride, or it is CTC, it is also called as pyrene. Then we have IUPAC name, this is called as tetrachloromethane. We have one more tetrahalogen derivative, it is derivative of acetylene. That's why commonly called as acetylene tetrachloride. IUPAC name will be 1,1,2,2-tetrachloroethane. So this is the nomenclature of haloalkanes. Then we have question 2, define and give isomerism in alkyl halides. Sorry. Alkyl halides, they show following type of isomerism. Number 1, positional isomerism. The isomers differ in the nature of position of halogen atom. In carbon chain. First is example, we have 1-chloropropane and 2-chloropropane. They are called as positional isomers since they differ in the position of halogen atom in the carbon chain. Then we have optical isomerism. The isomer differ in their action on plane polarized light. One of the isomer rotates light in a clockwise direction. Another isomer rotates light in anti-clockwise direction. These compounds, these alkylides must contain a chiral carbon, only then they will show optical isomerism. Light is always rotated from small group to larger group. hydrogen to chlorine in this case. In this case it is plus compound, this is minus, or it is D compound, it is L. It is dextrorotatory, it is levorotatory compound. So these are two isomerism, positional isomerism we have seen. We have seen the next, that is optical isomerism of the alkyl halides. Then we come to the chain isomerism, where the isomers they differ in the nature of carbon chain. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. This is 1-chlorobutane and its isomer is 2-methyl-1-chloropropane. These are chain isomers. So these are the two questions of haloarenes. First was the nomenclature of haloarenes. Second question is the isomerism shown by alkyl halide. They show three types of isomerism: chain, positional, as well as the functional optical isomerism. So this is all about this lecture.